Hello everyone! Today I'll show you how to add dynamic weather-based background. It's quick, easy, and looks amazing. Let's get started. First, open your WordPress dashboard, navigate to Pages, and click Add New. Next, click the plus icon, search for your preferred location weather block, and add it to the page. With the block selected, head to the Settings panel on the right. Next, switch to the Style tab. Under Background Type, you can choose a simple, solid color if you want something clean and minimal. If you prefer something more eye-catching, select Gradient, where you can adjust the gradient style and even change the angle to match your design. You can also choose a weather-based background, which changes automatically based on the weather of the location you select. For example, sunny locations will show a bright background, rainy locations will show a rain-themed background, and cloudy locations will display a cloudy scene. If you'd rather use your own image, you can upload it instead. You can also adjust the image position, attachment, repeat, and size until it looks just right. If you want to make it even more dynamic, you can add a video background too. Just paste a YouTube link or upload your own video link. Once you're happy with how everything looks, click Publish. And that's it! That's how you add a dynamic weather-based background. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out our other tutorials for more helpful tips.